Hello, everyone. Oh yeah, that's probably the most recent addition was the Factorio rocket. Oh, don't worry, we'll do the altered version later. The trailer version. Guys, today, as you all know, is the official launch of my video game, Dabble Worlds. Hovercat had this shirt made for me, which I very much appreciate. Okay, so yeah, it said that it was going to reset the quota at the top of the hour. So it should be back again. Let's see how it's doing. Let's see how it's doing here. Doesn't say it's not up, so that's a good sign. Everything looks okay. Fingers crossed. So what happened was the launch went flawlessly. Everything was working fine. Yeah, data out. Look at that. 231, 897. That's a lot of bytes. Oh, and also, you know what I need to do? Is I need to make sure we've got a command. Do I actually have a command yet? Let's see. Set command dabble to that. There we go. All right, cool. We're good. Yes, so launch went fine. Wheel, by the way. Yeah, well, as far as you know. That reminds me, I was originally planning on like behind the scenes, like working on a small update while viewer levels were going on. Oh, jeez. Doo-boo! As if you haven't.
Error 403. This dabble is world.
As if you haven't done enough for me today already. Thank you, Dupu. For those that didn't catch it, Dupu did a freaking 8-hour Dabble World stream today. And if you want to check out the VOD of that, it is fantastic. Actually, you know what? Let's do the for realsies. The built-in shout out here, because I still haven't integrated that with my bot. So Dupu did a friggin' 8-hour Dabble World stream, and there were some amazing things discovered right off the bat. Yeah, Dupu plays Super Mario World. He also plays Dabble Worlds, and some other miscellaneous items as well. So I think there's a huge overlap in the communities. If you like the things you see on my channel, there's a good chance you'll like the things you see on his channel. All right, we're probably knocking out Big Jelly World tonight, because I think this is the last world. But yeah, Dabble World's launch went great. Friggin' full 8-hour stream of it. No problems. And then the minute I step away... Oh, that went a little fast. The minute I step away, the server crashes. So I look into it. Basically what it boils down to is the limited plan I'm on is kind of a El Cheapo plan. Because, you know, it turns out that hosting a website can get expensive. That didn't feel super right. Yeah, that can't be it. But yeah, apparently my original worry was, oh no, just downloading the levels takes so much processing power. I don't know yet. So I got my first non-$0 bill, actually the day after GDB, and I was like, oh no, just the mere 4 people playing was enough to actually charge me money. Well, the bill was 37 cents. So I have no good way of knowing how much it's actually going to cost to run the game once we actually have people playing it. 37 cents. But I did turn on budgeting, so at the very least, it's going to alert me if it gets over a certain threshold, so that I can like pull the plug if I really need to. And I'm using Azure for the hosting, by the way, for anyone that means anything to. The level you saved earlier is gone. In a row? Yeah. Did you save it locally? Because if so, the server being down shouldn't affect that. Like, it doesn't even reach out to the server when you do that. Is it on a different computer? Because the levels you save locally are saved to that computer only. They do not actually go to the server anywhere. They don't communicate to the internet at all, which is how I want it for just such an occasion. Same computer. Did you save? There's a good question. Did you actually hit the save button? Personally, I've been keeping my saves in Notepad because I keep changing between like the live game and my test version of the game, and the saves do not like carry over between the two. So I just like every time I save it to the clipboard and immediately put it in a document. And that's the only way I've been saving my levels until it's time to actually upload them. Oh, okay. All right, I see. But yeah, the plan I'm on has a pretty low limit. And basically once it got past like, I think it was 1 gig of data transferred, then it was like, okay, we're cutting you off. You've used too much. And the levels are small. Ninja, so technically you can modify the game with a little bit of know-how on HTML. You can actually just replace the image files on your computer. But I have something planned for a much later date that's along those lines. But it's not exactly what you're describing. But I won't get into too many details because it's a future plan, and I don't want to spoil too much. So yeah, I'm looking at the other options on the plans, because honestly, I had no idea what kind of turnout we were going to see for the game. There is controller support, yes. It is not configurable at this time, but that is something we can add later if the people demand it. That guy is really just wiggling off to the left. Time to break some stuff. Do it. But yeah, so as far as I can tell, every day after we reach 1 gigabyte of file transfer total out data, the server will just stop running. And that sucks. But I think a major amount of what was being transferred was the actual game code, images, and music. And so the people that have already like played the game on their computer, they no longer have to download that because it's already on their computer. See, that's weird. I have to slow down really far for that snowman and then zip on over to the side. So I need to like really pull back. Am I getting enough height for that? Yeah, just barely. Okay. Hey, doggy. Hope you're doing well. So hope is that now that we're past this initial wave of people trying out the game for the first time, the art and code is in the same place as the levels. Sort of. It's being served from the same server, One of them's in a database and one of them is just static files. So I might consider just hosting those static files elsewhere to cut down on the data out for new players. Because it shouldn't change much, but it would be a bit of a pain every time I want to publish a change to have to publish like server code to one place and front-end code to another place. Like that's a little bit rough, but not out of the question. There we go, like that. Oh, jeez. Have a limit on how many people could join the game? Not really.
Don't you just hate it when your cat wakes you up like this? Meow, 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 meow.
Exclamation mark dabble.
Meow, meow, meow.
All you gotta do is log in with your Discord information. It does not actually give me your Discord information, don't worry. I'm just using it to make sure people have some login, but it doesn't have to, it does not actually go to me. Oh, that was it. Like if you agree. But all you gotta do is log in and then you are good to go. In 37 seconds. Hey, for 37 cents, you could host some HTML. Have you designed your skin? All right, but yeah, so the big thing is I gotta figure out if we're gonna have a problem tomorrow, and if so, what we need to do about it. Like, are we gonna see more people trying out the game tomorrow? Are we gonna see the same set of people trying out the game tomorrow? What's gonna happen? We don't know. And honestly, I don't have like major resources to just like, just upgrade the plan. Cause I don't know what that's gonna do, bill-wise exactly. Cause this is actually the first time I have done a game with any kind of actual backend. Hovercat DLC for $60. Yeah, a ton of people came by Dupu's stream. It was really fun. And I was keeping an eye on the database, making sure that everything was not on fire, and I just saw like new logins like flowing in the whole stream. It was really cool. All right, there we go. Pew pew. Pew pew. Uh-oh. That's probably fine. Gold is gamer pipe. Gold gamer pipe. Yeah. Oh yeah. Big names, big names. Just like Maker 2. No. It's completely different. It's completely different. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, all right, that was great. Great job, me. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Yeah, Keynes was there. Ooh, yeah, surely I can get it in 58 tries. I was absolutely floored by what Pixel was able to do. Ah, don't hit him in the head. Got it. Like, Pixel's level, just like, there's a whole sprite sheet in the image files. Pixel, you should be proud of what you managed to like absolutely just churn out in record time. Like, Pixel showed off some really cool combination stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna do okay, what if? All right, that was a dumb idea. Charmed Upward. Oh yeah, Big Jelly. I heard you talking about that in your stream last night. That's pretty exciting. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, Yeah, Pixel's level was my first time seeing someone like really do something with the well, dang it, with the background editor. Short lurker, always watching, always waiting. And Andy showed off a really cool combination of items that I didn't even consider would actually have a cool interaction. But it was really neat, and it worked super well. And then he threw a shell jump in, which I didn't approve of, but that's okay, because we still love him. Hey, Sauce! Doing good, how about you? Oh man, you know what? I said 58 live should be enough. Shell jumps are fun. They're free! I still need to patch out mid-airs. That's not supposed to happen. That's not how that interaction is supposed to work. All right, what am I doing wrong here? Let me just stop. What if I did that? Uh-oh. Not good, not good. Oh, I bet... that could have been cheesable. Well... No, because you're supposed to have fire. You're supposed to get in there with the fire flower. Alright, so you can stop there. Just for long enough. Oh, whoops, got a midair. Yeah, the very first level Hudson made was a shell surf. Like, I gave him this brand new maker game full of possibilities and new amazing things to try out, and he makes a shell surf, like, right away. True, thank you for the follow. Follows are not anonymous here. But everything else is fine. I saw a snail, it had a shell. Basically sums it all up. Oh my gosh. It's wonderful to have you here. Oh, I keep landing that shot right in his head. Snails makes me happy. Oh, well, you're in the right place. The dupsters. Hello, fellow dupsters. Alright. Let's just get that. Oh my gosh. I've already burned like 20 lives on this section. I don't want to go crazy on the Mario Maker levels tonight because I do want to save enough time to try out some of the new Dabble World stuff. Thank you, Hudson. You are a big help in the testing, and I really appreciate it. Now if we can just manage all the day one issues that are going to crop up, such as, hey, did you know that you can actually use too much data on this plan? Alright, there we go. Pew pew. Ooh, I gotta be careful not to hit him, huh? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh yeah, Zombie Slicer's level's amazing. Alright, and all I gotta do now is just slippery slide into a damage boost. Right in there. Alright, we got it. That only took 17 minutes. How many levels do I have in the queue already? Okay, 4 more after this. 719. Want to start the Dabble World stuff in about 40 minutes, if we can manage. Oh, we're still 2 levels away on this. 5 levels at 40 minutes a pop. Jelly, if you want to go ahead and get back in, and then I'll close queue. Curbska. Oh, stop it, you. Flattery will get you everywhere. Herbska, it did. Thank you. And then the server kind of exploded around an hour ago, but it's back up now. All right, let's play some Ninja Nugget stuff here. There were a ton of people that stopped by during the Go live stream that Dupu did. You know what? You're kind of right. Sweet. I'm excited. I'm excited that everybody's getting to try it out. All right, is it... Okay, we do have some other levels, but we'll do this new one. I did have a pretty big freak out moment when somebody mentioned 403 errors. So you don't even have to do Control Z, just Z alone is enough. Oh, let's hope for Switch support someday. Don't expect it. Gotcha. Well, now he can come back and see it made. What are we doing? Are we surviving? Yeah, we're surviving. We're thriving. Boom. I'm very excited about it. Like, honestly, okay, so personality-wise, just an insight into the world of Dobbs. Can you play it on a laptop? Yes, depending on the specs of the laptop, it may work just fine. All right, let's do one more of Ninja Nuggets levels. Because these are pretty short levels, you know? 3-minute level. Alright, this seems fine. Yeah, it's browser-based, so it is multi-platform right off the bat. But it is not super hardware accelerated. It will use mostly... Basically, it does not really care if you have a good GPU. It is more about... Oh, snap. Good to know. It is more about your CPU, weirdly enough, because I'm using basically the most straightforward canvas calls, which do not have hardware acceleration typically. I see. Now, where does that ground go? All the way to here? Azurewood, what's going on, man? Oh, okay, I see what we're doing here. Oh, that's okay. Now we got him primed and ready to go. There will be a downloadable client for offline level making and playtesting before uploading. That should be quite doable. That may even work in the current version. Do I just damage boost up there? And I guess so. Like, you should be able to actually just save the, I'm gonna try, uh-oh. Okay. Just gotta get a little lucky there. Because the maker itself does not call out to any server logic. So you can just download the HTML and JavaScript and all that locally. Just download the site locally, and then you should just be able to like make levels and export them to clipboard. Does that work? That doesn't work. Okay, interesting. That news. See, that still goes way high. Mantis, you are insane. Did you hear the news? You're now subbed to Dobbs. Oh, geez. What am I doing here? Didn't tell you. That's fine. That'll work. You're ridiculous, Mantis. Yeah, so okay. In that case, yes. I do think that I should be able to, oh geez. This is such a weird setup here. I should be able to make kind of like a try before you log in version that's just the editor. That should be doable. Officially ruined the Dob sprite. Excellent. Yeah, that should be... Alright, how am I gonna actually do this? Is that good enough? Ooh, jeez. That's so odd. Yes, there is a way to share levels offline. When you are in the editor, oh geez, okay, what am I doing here? Oh, I think I see what this is, and does this work? Okay, I didn't know that. Yeah, you can basically get a level file. That's funny. That's a funny interaction. Oh, Turtle, we got it in about 30 minutes. Okay, so when you create a level, you have an option to export the whole level file as a text document, basically. And then you can take that text document, give it to someone else, and they can import it into their game. No server required. That is a cool interaction with the bonsais and thwomps. I did not know that. That's a fun little tech right there. You could probably make a whole level about that. And that setup is by design, the whole like being able to import export, because I am already thinking about like 20 years from now when the server is, yeah. Is it 403ing again, or did it start 403ing and then stop? Let's see. Oh no, it is doing it again, isn't it? Wow. Quota has been exceeded again. That was fast. Oh, I bet it's a rolling total. I'm gonna have to upgrade that plan. Do I do that tonight? Like, I could bump it up temporarily and then see what the estimated cost tallies up to over a couple days. Yeah, maybe that's what we'll end up doing. All right, we're doing a little bit of Mantis. Not a lot of Mantis. That's the important thing. We're almost done with Mantis's library here. But we don't want to get sucked into a long grind session. I don't know yet. And I'm really worried about that. Because I have no idea. This is my first time actually hosting like a service that requires a back-end server. Oh, crap, there's more? Okay, well, that's fun. Well, no, all right, cool. Okay, dang it, Kev. All right, I still gotta get Thwomp and Circumstance. This one is a Uffy. A Touchamantis. So I've only gotten one bill from Azure Services so far, 37 cents. And that was before the launch. So I have no idea how much actual usage is gonna cost. Like, it could be that it averages to like, it's less than $1 a day. In which case I'm like, okay, cool, yeah, maybe we can bump it up a bit. But if it gets to be like, okay, this is running like $10 a day, I'm basically paying rent to run this game, then it's like, all right, I gotta rethink this. We gotta reassess. So mostly I just need data from them on like, hey, how much is this gonna actually run me? Because they've got estimates. They're like, oh yeah, this basic service is good for like development, blah blah blah, and it's like, oh, and it probably runs $20 a month, and I'm like, okay, probably, huh? And then it's like, okay, and the next tier up, hold on, let me look at the next tier up. Oh, actually, the one we're on now is probably $60 a month. And the one after that is like, okay, yeah, this one is like $500 a month. And I'm like, what? That's a big jump up, right? Like, that's not just me. So I don't know what to expect, really. A Java client. Ew. JavaScript client, yeah. See, the thing is, you can already... Oh, dang it. Actually, technically, there already is a version of the game hosted on GitHub that does not have any server connectivity set up proper. Actually, it even has the server connectivity. You wouldn't need to log in to access the game, but you wouldn't be able to upload, download, anything like that, except through sharing like the actual files. So that's already in place as like a backup. But it's not going to be always as up to date. I made that as a demo site for the IGDB, the games database that Twitch uses for pulling their category information. Because the first time I submitted it to them, they were like, hey, we usually only take games that are in a more finished state. And I'm like, I'm just doing testing. Like, it's not getting new features at this point. But okay. And so basically I like wrapped the whole game in a demo site and sent it to them again without changing anything. And they're like, okay, that's a finished game. Yeah, you're in the list now. Oh, cool. Ugh. Ah! Alright, so that's the first section. The finale's what really worries me on this level. Like, once you get up here, you're done on the auto-scroll stuff. Look at this mess. Like, somehow that works. Okay, apparently that's not too bad. I don't remember how I did these 3 thwomps. These are weird. There's got to be some really good timing on there. Yeah. Run over the bottom guy. There's an idea. So wait until he's all the way to the left and then gun it. That might be what I wait for. Ah, I see. Ugh. Oh, and then that, oh wait, and I have to outpace that guy. Ugh, pharmacies. Okay, so he's going down. Yeah, okay, I'm seeing. I don't wait for him. Ooh, it's a little bit of a needle thread. All right, guys, 25 minutes, and then we're gonna try and get some Dabble Worlds running. Try being the key word. Woo. Okay, and then they stop each other. Okay, and I'm safe here at this point. And then it's just a kind of an awkward little jump up against that spike wall. That note block in that other section is a rough one. Woo. Yeah. Tip win. Good idea. Good tip, Ninja Nugget. I like it. Yeah, we're not getting the win on this level tonight. We're mostly just kind of like doing a little bit of practice, finding the setups that we're gonna need for later days. Yeah, that works actually pretty well. And here we can just kind of awkwardly hop in there. And that, I guess that just works somehow. That's some magic. Okay, so this section here. This section right here, I do not really get this. Somehow I need to hit that note block. Oh no! Dang it, Mantis. Oh, that did in fact work. Of course it can't be easy. This is Animal Crossing music. All right. Oh geez, so I gotta run down there, run up. Oh no. Yikes, how? Okay. Okay, so the clear condition reminder needs to come up. You gotta see that visual indication of, yeah, you hit it. Good job. All right, so let's see. How in the world is this possible? You're not gonna do anything, are you? Yeah. Oh boy, okay. So I think what we do is we start up here. Oh no, I think you gotta jump straight from the stumps all the way to the. I don't think we can hit that. All right, let me tell you what I'm thinking. So right up here, this little ground up here, I don't think we can hit this. Yeah, Ninja Nugget, the server is overloaded right now. Like, it's serving up more people than it has in the plan I paid for. Yeah, getting up there fast enough. That is, ugh. You'll upload your masterpiece to the Discord. Excellent. Yeah, do not, wait, what? You do hit the top of that pedestal on the way in. Interesting. So, do you run, I don't know if you can't run off of that. So do you do a little hop? But then that's an awful lot of up and downs going on. Like, I can't see myself jumping up all the way to that pedestal and then also doing another jump. Oh, you can walk off that? I guess if you get it fast enough. See, that was not it. You got it figured out. Actually, here, I got an idea. Games. Is this it? This is it. Okay, so this is not the like final version of the game. This is the backup version. Right there. Whoops, that was supposed to be that command. Oh, thank you, Mantis. Here we go. There's our backup copy for when the server is unavailable. Okay, when he's at the top, that's bad. Let's do it when he's down. Didn't get the notification there. Check the Discord. Okay. Ah, I see. It's very small. Small. VV small. But I see what you're going for there. Oh, jeez. Like, I touched the flag, but not the flagpole. That's kind of the important part. There's a distinction there. Yeah, I can't do like a full hop against the ceiling because then they're gonna rise up too fast.
Yes, hello. Is this the complaint line? I ordered my Moon Rover plushie over a week ago, and I still haven't received. Can I get a tracking number, please?
No. Lol, no. You need to read the fine print, I'm afraid. The fine paw prints. Ugh, like even getting up there fast enough. That is tricky. Oh man, this ending is gonna suck. Unless, what if? No. I am.
What do you mean? What do you mean? No? I sent a check all the way to Hovercat. City Moon, State.
I did duplicate. Data out quota. 165.
Public service announcement. Do ! Discord, and go to the Dabble channel under games and stuff.
It's a very small image file. Ducks. Man, you guys are timing things amazingly well. All right, we're playing a sauce powder level. I have got to figure out how in the world we're gonna tackle that that final thwomp setup. Isherwood's crawl space. Let's go. Timing. It is, in fact, the secret to comedy. Oh, okay. Let's do it. Hit here. Hold right. Boop, boop, boop. Oh! Well, that's not what I expected to come out of that. honestly, I don't know what it was I did expect. Oh, I've seen this level on Twitter. And I still don't know what to do. My controller connects to the game. Adjustment level, X and Y work, but just not the movement. Are you using D-pad or control stick?
Is Dabble Worlds out yet, Dobslur?
McFixit! Oh my gosh, McFixit, it's out. There was an amazing 8-hour stream that somebody did. Dupu showed off the game for a full day, making levels, playing levels, and now I've exceeded the quota and I need to upgrade the plan, because, yeah, I did not budget for enough data out. Which, you know what? Oh, I need to be doing a full jump there. That is on me. This is a brand new venture. I have not done any kind of hosted game servers before. Like, all of my games that I've ever made up to this point have basically been single player only, no back-end server. Oh, that's a big jump. So I was expecting problems. I'm surprised it took over 8 hours for the problems to show up. But we're gonna just make the best of it. Worst comes to worst, I can just play the offline version. Okay, big jump. Okay. Boop, and then we're gonna hit this guy, and then boom, boom, and then these setups are so good. And I love goofy SMB2 door entry. That's so good. You'll steal some hours next month. Level codes in the chat. Well, see, the level code works great if the server is up. That was a fun one. Those are such good setups. But if the level service is not available, then I would need the full level file, which runs around 3 or 4 kilobytes. Lord Bowser again. All right, here we go. Or I guess for the first time tonight. DBC VLG. Who knew? All right, playtest version, not the final cut. So, translation, don't bother getting the world record. We're starting with Dobbs Quest, what, Monday? Oh, jeez. I mean, the Dabble Worlds project was one of the big reasons why I was not taking on other stuff, to be fair. Oh, I stuck the landing, unfortunately. That was pretty smooth. He almost got it. Don't worry, that was totally intentional. Uh-oh. That's not where you want to go. Implying the potential existence of dry bone shell somewhere in the level. I know, I can't stop myself from going fast. The mushroom I just passed up. reasonably expensive. Yeah, so it's like you kind of do a stick the landing kind of thing. It's basically if you go neutral while landing. Oh, geez. All right. So these are probably, what, 3 damage each? Oh, well, I will take that. Bait you up there. Go ahead. Come on. Ah. Ah. I'm wasting precious ammo. All right, there we go. Yay! That was fun. And then we'll spin the wheel one more time. And then after this, dab all worlds, dab all worlds, dab all worlds. Super Dabble Maker. Who could it be? All right, Jelly. What do we got? We got 2 levels left. Ooh, maybe we can knock them both out, depending on how hard this first one is. We'll try our best. Because I think these are the last 2 levels in the world. This is your favorite one, Jelly Donut Holes. Oh, I gotta be claiming these on Team Fantastic. I gotta remember to do that. Oh, I'm already into it. I might have played a preview version of this. Some of these setups do look a little familiar. Oh, not that. That's not what you do. You grab it. Oh, nope, nope. Spin jump. Yeah, it definitely feels familiar with the spikes. Spike with a muncher on his head. Okay, going up there. Drop down there, come back to spin on him. Quick reads. After death. Oh, almost got it. Actually, you know what? I think even though the server is down, I think I still have access to the database probably. So worst comes to worst, I can like grab the level data straight from there. The only way to read is after death. Like, really? I just want to know if Microsoft is going to try and bankrupt me. Because if not, if it's like, oh, it's not really going to be that much, then I'm like, all right, yeah, let's go ahead and bump up the plan. Whoop, that was a bad idea. I should have gone for the bottom one first. Congratulations, Al, on your experience point. Oh, and Germdump's got his save locally. Classic Microsoft. Yeah, I really just gotta figure out, like, you know, how much is it? They don't tell you. they're like, all right, it's probably going to be about this much. And that's not what I need to know. I need to know how much they're going to charge me. But it's going to be based on the usage, which I don't know what the usage is going to be yet. You know? Whoops. Yeah, so I might need to look into some alternative hosting. One thing I do like about Azure is all the publishing features like built straight into Visual Studio, which I know I can set that up for other hosting services as well if I need to, but you know, it's one extra step, and of course that gives you that inertia of like, well, maybe you don't want to change providers because we've already got this nice feature that we gave you, you know, to make it like slightly, ever so slightly easier. That's how they get you. That's how they get you. I really like this setup right here. It's really cool. Okay, so go down, and then up here, and then... Got it. Yep. Oh, that's an interesting little spin setup there. Oh, that's one of those surf-offs. Jelly, how long is the final level? One of these. Rip. Okay, we're gonna grab the bomb. No. Don't start over. Start over. Where's my start over from checkpoint, Nintendo? "30-second sections, 1 CP." Okay. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna have to redo my bot. Oh, I'm jumping straight to that bomb. Okay. Trials of Death. Can we rebuild that in Dabble Worlds real quick? Oh gosh, what is that? Okay, that's a spin. Oh geez, skill issue. Oh, I slid. Almost. I don't know how. All right, so let's see here. Okay, yeah. Don't throw it immediately. Bounce over to the flimsy lift. Throw left, and then spin jump to get the other one going in the right direction. Like so. Cool, cool, cool. Very nice. Very good indicator. Got him. It's not too bad. Because once you learn these setups, execution is not too bad on this one. The thing I really like about this level is that it's very minimal jank. Hey, Zooey. get 8 minutes on this. And it is top of the hour, which should be Dabble World. So I think we will, as unfortunate as it is, we're going to save the final Big Jelly level for next time. We will finish this one. I do like this level a lot. This is good. There we go. Key or pipe? Lavenroft. Oh, that's for gamer. That's for gamerness. Because I have a key. Yeah, we got it. Guys, it's time. Everyone put on your official Dabble Worlds sports tees. So we're doing it. We're doing it upright. Next time we do Mario Maker, we are finishing Big Jelly World. Dabble train, choo choo. Get your rover plushes ready, guys. They're not supposed to look like that. They're not supposed to disintegrate into the air. Now I wonder, can I run the whole game locally? All right, so let's see here. Whoop. All right. I mean, this is a question I have. All right, so let's turn on big camera for a little bit. Does this work? Will this work? If I go to, say, recent levels.
Cheer 100. Hello, I would like to
Does
purchase
work.
one Dabble, please.
I bet you would. Thank you for the bits, Al. Thanks for the bits. All right. So, you saw the intro today, but now we're going to see the alternative intro. Let's do it.